In this video, I'll guide you through how to change color in Google Calendar. Adjusting calendar colors is a simple way to keep your schedule organized and easy to read, whether you're managing work, personal events, or shared calendars. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to change colors for any calendar you have access to. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that has the calendar you want to customize. If you use multiple accounts, just double check that the profile picture or initial in the top right corner is the correct one so you don't accidentally edit the wrong calendar. Once your Google Calendar has loaded, look over to the left side of the screen. There you'll see a section labeled My Calendars. This is where Google lists all the calendars that belong to your account, like your main calendar, and any additional calendars you've created, such as separate ones for work, fitness, school, or family events. If you don't see the list, try clicking the small arrow or caret next to My Calendars to expand it. Now find the specific calendar whose color you want to change. Each calendar will have a small colored square or dot next to its name. That color is what currently appears on the events for that calendar. Move your mouse over the calendar name and you'll see 3 vertical dots appear, usually just to the right of the name. These 3 dots open the options menu for that calendar. Click on the 3 dots. A small menu will pop up, and near the top of that menu, you'll see a row of color choices. These are the preset colors that Google Calendar offers. To change the calendar color, simply click on the color you like. As soon as you select a new color, all the events for that calendar on your main calendar view will update to that color automatically. If you see an option to add a custom color, you can use that to fine-tune a specific shade, which can be helpful if you want a very distinct color for a particular calendar. Just remember that lighter, more muted colors are often easier to read, especially if you have a lot of events on your schedule. Take a moment to scan your calendar after you make the change. Make sure the new color makes your events stand out the way you want and that it's different enough from your other calendars so you can tell them apart at a glance. That's all you need to do. You've now changed the color of a calendar in Google Calendar, helping you keep your schedule clearer and more visually organized.